Thank you. Distinguished members of the press, communique issued by the PDP Government Forum after its board meeting held in Ibadan today, Monday, April 15, 2025. The PDP Government Forum held its meeting here in Ibadan and resolved the following. 1. Noting the nationwide speculation about the possible merger of political parties, groups, and or associations, the forum resolved that the PDP will not join any coalition or merger. However, the PDP, as a major opposition party, welcomes any party, partners, or groups that are willing to join it with a view to wresting power and enthroning good leadership in 2027. 2. The forum reiterates its position taken in Asaba on the issue of the National Secretary of the party, but in the wake of the Supreme Court judgment, the forum resolved to recommend that the Deputy National Secretary acts as a National Secretary pending the nomination and ratification of a substantive National Secretary on the Southeast Zone at NET at its next meeting. 3. The forum reasserts our collective determination to avert the rape of our constitution and democracy, hence the decision of approaching the Supreme Court to give a clear-cut verdict on the interpretation of the provision of the law on the declaration of state of emergency in any state of the Federation. The forum therefore reiterates the solidarity with His Excellency Siminalayi on the ordeal in which his state and people have been plunged into by the declaration of the state of emergency, and we reiterate our commitment to stand with him again. And 4, the forum finds alarming the worsening security situation in the country, as evidenced in parts of the country, especially Borno, Plateau, Katsina, and Edo states. The forum calls for the review and reordering of priorities and strategies, including adopting a bottom-up template that guarantees subnational to constitute an effective line of defense against security breaches. While raising the concerns above, we condemn the recent attacks on Plateau State and commiserate with the government and people of the state, especially those who lost their land and property during the recent shock. 5, the forum resolved that working in conjunction with the National Working Committee, NWC, and other relevant organs of the party, called a NEC meeting on the 27th of May 2025, constitute a zoning committee that will address all issues relating to zoning of the party offices and hold an early convention in August 2025, precisely on the 28th, 29th, and 30th of August in the ancient city of Kano. 6, the forum equally recommends the constitution of the zoning and national convention committees for ratification by NWC and NEC as follows. Zoning committee, made up of Governor Territory of Bayelsa State as chairman, Governor Dauda Lawal as vice chairman, and Governor Caleb Mutwang as secretary, while the National Convention Committee, headed by Governor Ahmadu Bintri as chairman, Governor Ademola Adeleke as vice chairman, and Governor Peter Obi as secretary. The forum expressed deep gratitude to the lost governor, His Excellency Engineer Seyi Makinde, government and people of Oyo State for their unusual and good hospitality to all of us. Thank you very much. Any question? One or two? Two questions? No question. DG.